Point here you can see that this is the object. I am pointing the finger, you can see please. This AB is the object. So when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature, this C stands for center of curvature. When the object is placed beyond the center of curvature, then the image which is formed is between center of curvature and the focus. That is, you can see this AB which is below the principal axis. This is inverted. This is inverted image, and the position of the image is between center of curvature and the focus. And the nature of the image is real and inverted. Now we'll proceed to the third diagram. In this third diagram, you can see the object is placed at C, that is center of curvature. So this is object, you can see my finger here. This is the object AB. So object is placed at C means at the center of curvature. Then what is the position of the image? So in this case, the position of the image is at C only. That means on the same point, that is center of curvature. Now here the image is inverted. So the question is, what is the position of the image when the object is placed at the center of curvature? Then the answer is, the position of the image is at C, that is center of curvature, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. And if we talk about the size of the image, then we find that the size of the object is same as the size of the image. Now we'll proceed to the fourth diagram, where we will see that the object is here. In this diagram you can see the object is placed between C and F, that means center of curvature and the focus. So what happened when the object is placed between the center of curvature and the focus, that is AB is the object this time, then what happened? What is the position of the image? Then we can see the position of the image is beyond C. That means beyond the center of curvature. Here you can see this is image, this is object. So when the object is placed at in between C and F, the image formed is beyond C and the image is inverted. So what is the size? What is the size of the image? The size of the image is enlarged, means it is bigger in size as compared to the object. And what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is again real and inverted. Now we'll proceed to the fifth diagram. In the fifth diagram, you can see that when the object is placed at F, this is the F, that is focus. When the object is placed at F, this is the object, AB is the object which is placed at F, the position of the object is at focus. Then what is the position of the image? Then we can see here, this is the principal axis, and you can see that the object is, the image is formed below the principal axis, hence the image is inverted. But the point is here, I have not drawn the image here. It is because the image is very far. That is, it is behind the, not behind, I mean to say that it is, the position of the image is at infinity. And it is highly enlarged, means it is very big. And what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is real and inverted again. Now we'll proceed to the last diagram, where the object is placed between the focus and the pole. You can see this is focus and this is the pole of the concave mirror. The object is placed between this focus and pole, that is AB is the object. Then in this case, what do we find is that, what do we observe? When the object is placed between focus and pole of the mirror, then the image is formed behind the mirror. You can say this is A dash, B dash is the image. The image is formed behind the mirror, and the size of the image is bigger than the size of the object. So it is enlarged. And what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image, it is virtual and erect. Since the image is not forming below the principal axis, it is above the principal axis, so it is erect, and hence the image is virtual. These are the position of the object and the position of the image and the size of the image and nature of the image formed in a concave mirror.